Have you ever wondered why some people accumulate vast fortunes while others remain stuck in financial struggles? Is there a secret, a hidden code that only billionaires know and apply to build their empires? The truth is, yes. And the most surprising part? This code has nothing to do with luck or an above-average intelligence, but rather with the way they think. Today, you will discover exactly what differentiates the mindset of billionaires from the rest of the world and how you can apply these principles to transform your financial life. Most people believe that billionaires were born into wealth or had a stroke of luck that led them to success. But the reality is very different. Studies show that most billionaires today built their fortunes from scratch by simply changing the way they view money and business. Let's take a real example. Elon Musk. When he had a significant financial exit after selling his stake in PayPal, he could have just saved that money and lived comfortably for the rest of his life. But he didn't. Instead, he reinvested every cent into innovative companies like Tesla and SpaceX, even when everyone told him it was madness. While most people work hard seeking financial security, billionaires think entirely differently. They don't just work for money, they make money work for them. Instead of focusing on earning a salary, they concentrate on creating systems and structures that generate wealth even when they are not actively working. This is the real game of wealth, building assets that work on your behalf. Billionaires understand something that the majority overlook. Money is not a finite resource. It is a tool. They don't see money as something they need to hoard. Instead, they see it as something to be multiplied. That's why they invest in businesses, stocks, real estate, and innovations. The wealthiest people on the planet are constantly thinking about how to expand their financial influence rather than just accumulating money in a bank account. It's time to break the old paradigms, leave behind limiting beliefs, and start seeing opportunities where others only see obstacles. The secret of billionaires is not in luck, an Ivy League education, or having influential connections. It's in their mindset. And the good news? You can develop this mindset too. The choice is yours. It's time to break the old paradigms, leave behind limiting beliefs, and start seeing opportunities where others only see obstacles. The secret of billionaires is not in luck, an Ivy League education, or having influential connections. It's in their mindset. And the good news? You can develop this mindset too. The choice is yours.